Almost done trimming stuff. That's a lie. Haha! See if this works. Maybe this was not a good idea. Kinda thinking this was a bad idea. Thought this was gonna work a lot better than it is. Here's my 2 cents. It was kind of just like if you had a little tiny fist and you were punching the foam really fast, probably get the same result. Let's go get an actual sawzall blade and try that. So if I can't get these to work efficiently, it's gonna suck. So we're gonna have to go back to the old bread knife situation, which I made fun of because I was like, haha, power tools, we got this. Got a normal sawzall blade. So it's not going so well. I tried a scraper blade on the sawzall. I tried just a normal sawzall blade. Also wasn't working very well. It's just hard to get a parallel cut with anything. So I went to Home Depot. I got a dovetail blade situation. So we'll see if this works. Cool. So here's what we got. I've gotten all the way up there, trimmed pretty much up until this point. Is what I have left to do. Almost done trimming stuff. That's a lie. I'm almost done trimming the floor. Just have this one and this one left to do. Woo! So this has kind of been my technique I made up, and has been somewhat efficient and useful. So I got this little Dewalt saw from Home Depot. It's It's like a so you can get parallel cuts, if you will. So just kind of run this along the 2x4. I use the 2x4 as a guide. And I just keep cutting and cutting and cutting until this, just using a scrap piece of plywood, until the plywood kind of sits flush. I haven't trimmed this section, so like big bubble and whatnot, clearly unlevel. But back here, this part I've already trimmed. It'll glide over the whole thing. It occasionally grazes the top, but by the time we screw it down, it's not going to be a big deal. This stuff is somewhat squishy, so it's cool. It's also my chair. Focus on my face. Alright, folks. I was just looking at myself, my bad. The insulation on the floor is done as far as being trimmed. Here's what we got. This stuff made a mess, so I gotta clean it all up. There's loose insulation everywhere. I've gotta sweep everything, vacuum. I don't want to lay brand new flooring down on top of a bunch of garbage.